Welcome back to the Solidworks tutorial for the beginners. In this video, you will learn how to use Extruded Cut to make a pipe or to make a hole in the center of the cylinder. There are a few ways to do it. The first way is to draw another circle on this surface. To do that, right-click on the surface, select Normal Tool. Now, if this surface selected, highlighted in blue color, head to the Sketch tab and select the Sketch button. To enter the sketch mode, and you'll see a sketch tool is created. Now draw another circle from the center point and give a dimensions to it. Now let's say 80. After that, exit the sketch mode and go to Features. With the sketch tool selected, press the Extruded Cut options right here. And now you can see there's a yellow line showing this, previewing where will it cut through to. To set this depth of the cut, you can key in a value here, or simply dragging this arrow right here. When you're satisfied, press the tick sign here. Now you can see this is cut into half or not all the way through. To change that, go to Cut Extrude 1, right click and edit feature. This time, let's make it longer. You can drag all the way through to cut through the cylinder, or you can change the options of directions 1 to through all and click OK. Now you have a pipe with hollows in the center of the cylinder. Another way of doing this is without creating another sketch on top of this cylinder. You can do that by going back to the Boss Extruded 1 with the sketch previously created, where the original circle is. We don't need a sketch tool, let's delete it. Now going back to this step where you created the original cylinder, go here and click this triangle button to drop down this, and you will see the sketch 1, and enter the sketch 1 to edit the sketch. Now in this sketch, you would like to first create another smaller circle inside the original circle, and then give a dimension. Let's say 80. Once the dimension is given, you'll see that now there are two circles in this sketch. After that, exit the sketch, and you realize that without the sketch tool, this has already formed a circle a circle of hollows in the middle of the cylinder. The reason why, if you go back and edit the feature of the Boss Extrude, you will see that under the selected control, you can select different area to extrude. If you select just this area, you will get exactly the cylinder with a center hollow. If you select both region, you will get a full cylinder. Let's see. This is how you get full cylinder. And if you want to just extrude the bigger circle, delete this selection of the inner circle and leave only the outer circle selected. After that, click OK, and you will see this same shape that you have created previously using the Extruded Cut options. This is all for extruded cut explanations, how you can create a hole or cut specific shape out of an object, a 3D object. And you can achieve the same thing by drawing the sketch into the original sketch and extrude with the different regions selected. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.